You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Have you heard of the case Gwyneth Paltrow versus Terry Sanderson? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And if you follow the news, read the newspaper, you probably read the fact that the jury sided with Gwyneth Paltrow and awarded her $1 in symbolic damages. The lawsuit from Mr. Sanderson for $3 million, equal to 33 hours every day he is alive for the rest of his life for a 76-year-old, was dismissed. What is it all about? As often in life, it is about who did it. Was it Ms. Paltrow who hit Mr. Sanderson, or was it the other way around? Who drove into whom, and more important, who caused what kind of damage? And the watchers of this case, which was televised in an unusual fashion, probably saw a couple of scenes where they just wondered, how bizarre is this? That lawyer is arguing with Gwyneth Paltrow about height of people and who is taller, she or her. At the end, thanks to a juror who spoke up, it was very clear that it was a unanimous decision which was reached after a short deliberation, or let's call it a relatively short deliberation of only 2 hours and 20 minutes. And when asked whether the fame of one had any impact in this case, her answer was very clear: no, it was not. They looked at the evidence. It was a unanimous decision. Just because of Gwyneth's celebrity status, it meant nothing. It was based on evidence and the law. After 2 weeks of complex testimony by neurology and brain experts, by injury experts on both sides, as well as eyewitnesses, Deer Valley employees, Ms. Paltrow's children, Apple and Moses, as well as Mr. Sanderson's daughters, the jury came to the result that it was not Ms. Paltrow who caused the accident, it was the other way around. So what are the key takeaways if you are subject to a lawsuit? Very often, lawyers who are arguing for a plaintiff work on a contingency fee basis, and they want money. They want the fast money. They're ready for a quick settlement. In this case, based on the evidence, her lawyers must have advised her, this is one of those cases which is worth to go to trial with. And they stood on that principle until the very end. So the lesson learned is, even though it could be cost effective to settle soon, it could be cost prohibitive on the long run if you settle a lawsuit today, because what happens next time if she runs into someone, maybe not while skiing, but maybe with a shopping cart in a supermarket or whatever the next accident is? I'm pretty sure that every lawyer who wants to take a case against Gwyneth Paltrow will have to look twice. Is a case really what it seems to be? Or is the fact that it's a celebrity on the one side enough of a reason to file a lawsuit? And the clear answer is no, as it should not be. It should be about the facts. And this case is a clear, good case where facts and the law matter, and not any quick settlement, or not the status of one of the parties. So for my takeaway, justice has prevailed. What are your thoughts? Post it in the chat. Let me know.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.